Hi YouTube, I want to share something with you. I'm working from my kitchen look, and I'm making things for Christmas, and I'm working in my kitchen unit because worktop, whatever it's called, because the lighting in here is a lot better than my living room. So I'm using cheap children's dominoes to, sorry about that, to put pieces together. And I've got some wood buttons that I've just used these things on, nail polish, fine glitter, other things, and these type of alcohol pens that I picked up yesterday from the pawn shop. 3 different colours there, silver, copper and gold. I'm just using an old pot to keep my things in. I've got my cheap dominoes there, my double-sided tape, some scrapbook paper. I cut these images out last night from different places. This is a clay leaf that I made and just used that silver pen to give it some markings, leaf markings there, see? I've just coloured these in the back, but I haven't done nothing to the front. This one was my first one. I took apart from the die, silhouette die, fairy wings. I took the body off and just using Mod Podge Dimensional Magic and chunky glitter, just sprinkled that on directly onto the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, the resin glue. And this is dry, and this is my first one. But before I made any adjustments to the domino, I coloured it in with my silver, one of these markers, 3 from the pound shop. So I used the silver one. That's my best colour so far. So I don't know if you can see that in the background, there's silver there. And these I made last night also, but today I've just added a bit of varnish and fine glitter to it. I'll show you the one I got, hold on. My sister bought me this from the range for my birthday last year, and I've just started using it. It's the best glitter, fine glitter, iridescent. And I'm using £1 nail polish to apply that on. Also, I decanted this clear PVA glue into this old honey jar, and I'm using that. I've used PVA glue, school glue, to attach things also. This colour glue is finished, so I had to buy another one. And then nail polishes, like I said, and then these 3D dimensional things. I haven't used them yet, but I will. And I've got ketchup sitting on top of something that's drying, and other pieces under there drying, another piece under there drying. And I did these and just coated it also with nail polish and glitter and a top coat to seal the glitter in. These arrived today. They're wood buttons from Surrey. A lady on eBay sells a pack of 50 for £2.50. Yeah, pack of 50 for £2.50. And I'm also making what they call bottle cap charms and things. This is my nephew when he was a baby, and he's a lot grown up now. And I stuck that down first, and then my other 2 are inkjet printed also, same as this, and they bled because I used clear glue. But I think this one I stuck down just with nail polish, And then when it was dry overnight for 2 nights, I went over it with clear nail polish, and so far it's fine. The other two that I made, I used my new clear glue from the Works, and you know it was printed on inkjet printer, so they bled through. They've gone incredibly bad and wrong, but I'll have to sort them out somehow. This is my favorite one that I'm making now. I can't move it because I just applied hold on, see that lovely fine glitter? That's a fairy stamp from Amazon. These are 2 dominoes joined together using foam tape, and the background is this lovely number 7 nail polish with the mica powder in there. And I've got this one that my sister gave me. I haven't used it yet, but I will. And I love using my gold one. I love using my pink one. But this is a new hobby or project for me, so I haven't really done much playing. I'm just playing today, and I'm really enjoying myself. So what you need is cheap kids dominoes. These are the acrylic ones, cheap plastic. I picked this set of 28 in this wooden thing up. Well, I didn't pick it up, they came to me through eBay for $1.55 for 28. I couldn't find them in stores, so I just ordered them online. And sorry for rambling on, but you know, it's good to explain things clearly, and I hope you like my idea. I hope you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Rate this if you like my idea. When this was all dried up, my bales haven't arrived yet, but I'm gonna stick a bale at the bottom and dangle some beads off, and a bale at the top. And I need a Loctite, the special new glue, you know, to hold these 2 dominoes together from the back properly, because as yet they're just stuck with this foam tape. I know it's strong, but it's not strong enough, you know. If I want to wear it as a necklace, I don't want it to suddenly drop off in the street. So sorry for rambling on, but I wish everyone could do something like this. I mean, it's so easy, so simple. These is just a cutout from a magazine from the Works. This is designer paper from Amazon. Birds, I like birds. And this is sorry, I can't talk anymore. I've just had a thought about someone and it upsets me, so I'm not going to talk anymore. See you, take care, bye.